Main entrance gate of our Manjusri cave. From here we can have a trip to our cave of the Chobar, Kathmandu.
It is the second largest cave in the Nepal, and nowadays it can be traveled 325 meters. It have many outlets. There is no problem in the air. Okay. All outlets are safely. We have geological tests, electrical, no electrical. We have provide the lights and one guides for enter the from entrance to the outlet.
That means you have some our guides and all the facilities to go inside and came out safely.
Yeah.
Outside. Thank you.
Yeah.